first we have here public student information system. So this is the main setup method for application. So it runs automatically when you create a new student information object. So first we have private final text field. So setups the main window, title, size, close, behavior. So creates the menu bar, input form, and table where student data is displayed, and connects the button to their corresponding event handler. So next method is public student information system. So we have here set size, which is student information system. So sets the window title. And next is set size. So we have here 600 and 400. So sets the window size. And next is set difficult close operation, exit and close. So this closes program when window is closed. And the next is set location relative to null. So centers the window. And the last one is set layout. So defines the layout style. And the menu bar, it calls getBar, which returns a G menu bar. In the input panel, a panel with fields student ID and student name and year level. It also contains two buttons, which is add and clear record. So here in the table, it uses default table model to store student record, and it displays inside a scroll pen. So and the button actions, button add calls action perform, and the button clear calls action perform. Next method is private void add student. So this method is triggered when the add button is clicked, and gets input values, which is student ID, student name, and year level, and checks if ID and name are empty. So if empty, it shows error message. If valid, add a new row to a table. So this table model add row is clears the text fields after adding. And the next method is static void min. So this is the main entry points, although it should be named public student min string arch, but yours is complete. So next method is private void action perform. So this method handles the button, add button, and it calls add students when the button is clicked. And the next method is private void action perform. So this method handles the about menu item.
So ato na siya iparan. So see the output of the code. So first we have to input an student ID. And next we have to input a student name. And the last one is year. So we have here student ID, student name, and year level. So here's the output of the code. And we have to add student. And we have to insert another year level.